Namaste dear students. We have started chapter number 2, Mechanical Properties of Fluids, and we have seen lecture number 1 and lecture number 2. In lecture number 1, we have discussed molecular theory of surface tension, and in lecture 2, we have discussed the meaning of the surface tension, surface energy and relation between them. Now today we solve some problems using formula W equal to TA, where W is work and T is surface tension, A is change in area. We have seen this formula in lecture number 2. So you listen, you see that lecture 2, how this formula comes. So let us solve the problem number 21 in the textbook. So to solve the problem, you should use a notebook. Keep notebook in front of you. Keep take a pen to solve the problem. So I will read the problem first. Problem number 21. A drop of mercury of radius 0.22 centimeter is broken into 8 droplets of the same size. Find work done if surface tension of mercury is 435.5 dyne per centimeter. This is problem. Means we are given a drop of mercury and its radius is given, it is 0.2 centimeter, and that drop of the mercury is broken into 8 droplets. म्हणजे एक मर्क्युरीचा ड्रॉप आहे त्याचे 8 मर्क्युरीचे ड्रॉप तयार झाले. तर या प्रोसेसमध्ये किती वर्क डन होईल ते आपल्याला फाइंड करायचं आहे. सो लेट अस सी द क्वांटिटीज विच आर गिवन. फर्स्ट गिवन क्वांटिटी इज T is equal to 435.5 dyne per centimeter. Now convert this dyne per centimeter into Newton per meter. So this is equal to 435.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton per meter. Means to convert dyne per centimeter into Newton per meter, multiply the given number by 10 raised to minus 3. So that is the conversion. Then another quantity given is radius of the drop. Suppose radius of the drop is denoted by capital R. It is equal to 0.2 centimeter and it is equal to 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter, and it can be written as 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. म्हणजे सेंटीमीटरचं कन्व्हर्शन मीटर मध्ये करायचं, 10 raised to minus 2 ने त्या क्वांटिटीला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं गिवन नंबरला, आणि मग 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 2 मीटर येईल आणि तो नंबर आपण 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 मीटर असा लिहू शकतो. तर हे झालं गिवन क्वांटिटीज. नाउ टू डिटरमाइन वर्क डन वी शुड नो व्हॉट इज द रेडियस ऑफ द ड्रॉपलेट. म्हणजे ते जे 8 ड्रॉपलेट आहे त्यांच्या प्रत्येक ड्रॉपलेट जी साईज आहे ती सारखी आहे, तर त्या ड्रॉपलेटची जी रेडियस आहे ती आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे. आणि ती ड्रॉपलेटची रेडियस फाइंड करण्यासाठी एक फॉर्म्युला आपण वापरू. फॉर्म्युला असा आहे, व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 ड्रॉप इज इक्वल टू 8 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ ड्रॉपलेट. व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 ड्रॉपलेट हा फॉर्म्युला आपण इथे वापरू. म्हणजे एका ड्रॉपचं जेवढं व्हॉल्यूम असेल तेवढंच व्हॉल्यूम 8 ड्रॉपलेट्सचं राहील. मग आता व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 ड्रॉप फॉर्म्युला आहे 4/3 पाय r cube. Now, why we use this formula 4 upon 3 pi r cube? Because volume of the drop or shape of the drop is a sphere, and volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and therefore we write here 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Then 8 multiplied by 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Again, volume of the droplet is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Because shape of the droplet is also sphere, and therefore it is also 4 upon 3 pi r cube. फक्त इथे जे रेडियस ऑफ द ड्रॉपलेट जे ते आपण स्मॉल r ने डिनोट करायचंय. Radius of the droplet is denoted by small r. So this is the formula. Now in this formula 4 upon 3 and pi, 4 upon 3 and pi will cancel on both sides. Then take cube root of r cube. So it is r. Cube root of 8 is 2. Then cube root of r cube is r. And therefore small r equal to r upon 2. So we get a radius of the single droplet r equal to r upon 2. Now using this radius of the droplet and radius of the drop, we find change in area. Now change in area is denoted by capital A, and it is equal to A2 minus A1. Change in area is A2 minus A1, where A2 is area of 8 droplets and A1 is area of the single drop. So this is equal to area of 8 droplet means 8 multiplied by area of the single droplet minus A1 area of the one drop, it is 4 pi r square. Now here 8 multiplied by 4 pi r square. Now what is this 4 pi r square? This 4 pi r square is area of the droplet, where the droplets are area. And what is 4 pi capital R square? It is the area of drop. Now here in this formula we put value of small r equal to r by 2. Means here in this formula let us put the value of small r equal to r by 2. So change in area with A equal to 32 pi multiplied by small r is r by 2, r upon 2 square minus 4 pi capital R square. So this is equal to this 32 pi into R square upon 4 minus 4 pi R square, 32 and this 4. With 32 will cancel and it will be 8. So it will be 8 pi r square minus 4 pi r square, and it is equal to 4 pi r square. 8 pi r square minus 4 pi r square will be 4 pi r square. This is change in area. A equal to 4 pi r square. Now to find work done, we use formula W equal to TA and put value of T. T means surface tension. It is given 435.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. This is surface tension. Multiplied by area. Area is 4 pi r square. So this is equal to 435.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 4 into 3.142 multiplied by r. Now what is r? R is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So put value of r. It is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 and bracket square. So this is equal to. Now here we can multiply this 435.5 multiplied by 3.142, and square of this 2 will be 4. And if you make multiplication of all these, it is found to be 2, 1. I have made this calculation 21893. This calculation is 21893 into 10 raised to minus 9, and it is equal to 2.1893 into 10 raised to minus 5 joule, and this is final answer. Now, how this 10 raised to minus 9 comes here? म्हणजे हे 10 raised to minus 9 हा कसा आलेला आहे ते बघा, की इथे 10 raised to minus 3 आहे, त्याचा स्क्वेअर गेला तर 10 raised to minus 6 होईल, आणि हा 10 raised to minus 3 आहे, 10 raised to minus 6 आणि 10 raised to minus 3 हे झालं 10 raised to minus 9. मग इथे 10 raised to minus 9 आपण घेतला, आणि इथे ही जी संख्या आहे 21,893, ही संख्या आपण 2.1893 अशी लिहायची आपल्याला, म्हणून आपण इकडे 10 raised to minus 5 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं. सो इट इज W equal to 2.1893 into 10 raised to minus 5 joule. This is final answer. तर हे याचं final answer असेल. Now we have a short time, and in that time we take one short problem. Problem number 22. How much work is required to form a bubble of 2 cm radius from soap solution having surface tension 0.07 Newton per meter? म्हणजे असा हा प्रॉब्लेम आहे की सोप बबल 2 सेंटीमीटर रेडियसचा तयार करण्यासाठी किती वर्क करावं लागेल किंवा किती वर्क डन असेल ते विचारलेलं आहे. तर या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे रेडियस ऑफ द बबल. रेडियस ऑफ द बबल आहे 2 सेंटीमीटर. 2 सेंटीमीटर इज रेडियस ऑफ बबल. Then since it is a soap solution, surface area will be A is equal to, change in surface area will be A equal to 2 multiplied by 4 pi r square. म्हणजे स्पिअरचा सरफेस एरिया असतो 4 pi r square, आणि जर सोप सोल्युशन असेल तर एरिया हा डबल घ्यायचा. मग एरिया डबल घ्यायचा म्हणजे इथे राहील 2 multiplied by 4 pi r square. It is 8 pi r square. This is area. Then we have formula W equal to T multiplied by A. Now we are given surface tension. It is 0.07 multiplied by area. It is 8 pi multiplied by r square. It is 0.07 into 8 into 3.142 into radius. Now radius is 2 centimeter, means it is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 and bracket square, and this is equal to, this will be equal to, if you make complete calculation, this calculation is found to be 703.808 into 10 raised to minus 4 joule, and this is answer. It is very short problem, and it will take this is final answer of this problem. W equal to 7.03808 into 10 raised to minus 4 joule, and this is the we have seen the 2 problems today. When we see another problem in next lecture. Thank you very much.